Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we'll see how to download and install Spotify, that is a music streaming platform, on your Windows 10 operating system. So as first thing you have to do is open up your web browser. It can be Chrome or Firefox, and type out spotify.com. Okay, you'll be led to this site. As soon as this site appears, you can see on the right side here you have a button called download. So let's just click on download here. Now before downloading, you can use Spotify on your mobile, computer, tablet, car, or any of these things you want. And if you don't want to install Spotify, if you don't want to give your storage to Spotify on your laptop, what you can do is you can just play it on the web. Okay, this feature is called as web player. If you just click on it, you can see that you have to just log in, or you can, without even logging in, you can just start playing songs. Okay, if you want, and you can even log in and it will start playing it on the web. You don't have to install it anymore. But as we are going to install it, so let's go back, and here you can see this button called as download. So let's just click on this button, and it says our download start automatically. So you can see it's a very small setup file. It downloaded almost instantly. Now let's go to our download section, and here you can see I've downloaded this. So let's just hit enter here, and you can see downloading Spotify. It will need few more things to install, so it will start downloading, and it will take some time if you have a slow internet connection, but if you have a fast internet connection, it should be almost as quick. Now it says we are installing Spotify. Now that all of the components are downloaded, now it will start installing Spotify on our system. And now I think Spotify is installed, and it will open up. Now you can see a black screen has appeared in front of us, and this will be the Spotify. Let's wait for it to load up, because as we're installing it first time, it may take some time. Now you can see what you have to do is just log in. If you have an account, you can just log in, or if you don't have an account, you can just click on this sign up button, and you can just create your account and start using Spotify. So as I already have an account, so what I'll do is I'll just log in, and now I've logged in using my account. So you can see here are the songs that I want to hear. You can even connect your Facebook account here and connect with your friends. But if you want to start streaming songs, you can just go on any one, whichever you like, and just click on it. Just click, and then the song will start playing on its own. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you like this video, you make sure you subscribe my channel and like it, and also comment if you had any problems, or if you had a suggestion that I should make a video on this. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.